The moment you enter you will feel right at home. This 4-bedroom 2-bath split level has so much to offer. Recent upgrades include new roof, siding, remodeled baths and kitchen. Eat-in kitchen boasts new cabinets, granite counters and glass tile backsplash. New stainless steel stove and microwave. Upper cabinets still in need of doors. Hardwood floors in 2 of the bedrooms. Hardwood is believed to be under other carpeting. Lower level offers a rec room, 4th bedroom and full bath. Detached 2-car garage and outdoor shed. Move-in ready, but with a little work this home will shine.